Hello friends, in today's video we're gonna be changing the wiper blades on this Nissan Qashqai 2017 model. Okay. Right, so we'll just open this cover here like that and then slide the wiper blade like this. Okay. Right, so this is like for like wiper blade. I'm gonna lift this cover here and then slide it like this, and I'm going to press this bit here. There we go. That's the new wiper blade fitted in no time. Just gonna take this protective sleeve off. There we go. So this is a like for like 17-inch wiper blade. Okay, so that's that done. Right, just gonna do the passenger side now. So just gonna lift this cover up like that. I'm going to slide the wiper blade inwards, and this is how it comes off. Okay. So this is a 17-inch wiper blade. Right, again what we're gonna do is we're gonna lift this cover here, and then just going to slide the blade in. There we go. Just gonna, there we go. That's how it fits in, and just going to lock it. There we go. This is nice and sturdy. Wiper blades fitted on this car in no time. Thank you very much for watching the video.